everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get your PC into the BIOS menu on your MSI motherboard. So I'm just going to hold down my laptop power button and I'm just going to turn this off. So let's go to power off right now, or you can restart it. But I'm using Linux right now, but you can do this on Windows as well. Now when your computer turns off or restarts, we want to press the delete key when we see the symbol. So let's press the power button and go over the delete key right now. And when I see the symbol of my computer, I'm just going to press delete, and then boom, I'm in the BIOS menu just like that. And if you got like an SSD, an NVMe SSD, it's going to go extremely quick. And then we can go through here and we can look at the different options like main, advanced. We got the boot option, so if you want to change the boot order, maybe you're launching from a USB or something like that, change it in here. Security. Now whatever changes you make sure you go over to save and exit, and then press enter on save and exit, otherwise your changes won't take effect. And I'm using the arrow keys to move around, and go to save and exit, press enter, and then your computer will restart normally with whatever changes you made. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.